Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Rocket League error code LS-0013. Super easy fix, and in this video, I will show you how you can basically solve the problem. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to completely close Epic Games on your task manager as well. What you need to do here, you don't want to see any apps that is running, that is basically Epic Games or Rocket League. Right, and once you do that, then you just need to press Windows and R key to get this little window, and then you just need to press just write %, local app data %, press OK, and then you will see this window. Then you need to go to Epic Games Launcher, saved, and basically delete this cache folder here. And once you do that, then you just need to go to Epic Games and run as administrator. So as you can see here, you need to just go to Epic Games Launcher here and run as administrator here. And once you do that, let me load it up. And I will show you that basically we just fixed the error. You can see here, go to library, and let's launch Rocket League. And as you can see here, it is working perfectly fine. We do not getting any errors here, as you can see here, and we just basically launched the game. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.